Hi everyone, this is Meet and I'm back with new lists. This video is about the top 5 legal Korean dramas or Korean dramas set in the legal field. First drama on this list is Hyena. It stars Jo Ji-hoon and Kim Hae-soo. Now Kim Hae-soo is the hero of this series and Jo Ji-hoon just complements her character beautifully. It is 16 episodes long, completed in April 2020. It's available on Netflix. So the plot has a really smart lawyer clashing with an elite lawyer played by Jo Ji-hoon, and the chemistry this clash creates. A relevant day. The second drama on this list is Forest of Secrets. It is also known as Stranger. Now, Stranger has two seasons. Each season is 16 episodes long. It's available on Netflix. The first season completed in 2017, and we had to wait 3 long years for the second season, and we have to wait I don't know how many years before we get a season 3. I'm really waiting, hoping for a season 3. This drama has Cha Sang-woo, Bae Doona, and Lee Jun-hyuk. Lee Jun-hyuk has played a prosecutor before in City Hunter. Yeah, okay. So if you've not seen it yet, you're going to watch it consecutively as season 1 and season 2. It has a slow burn chemistry between the two leads. There is no obvious romance because the main plot is focused on the police and prosecution. Again, obviously, this is a legal drama, and obviously, there's corruption in the police and the prosecution. Like the plot revolves kind of around that, but there are also a lot of other cases which are very interesting. This is an excellent drama and an unforgettable watch, and it stars really good actors. And Cha Sung Woo has done such a brilliant job of this emotionless lawyer, and then you just wait the entire season to see his smiles, which are so precious. The third drama on this list is Partners for Justice, which also has two seasons, season 1 and 2. Season 1 completed in 2018, and thankfully season 2 completed in 2019, and right now both are available as completed series. The main plot revolves around a rookie prosecutor and a forensic chief. Now the forensic chief is again someone with a melancholy history, so you kind of get a bit of sad vibe from the hero, but that is not focused on too much. He's just brilliant at his job. In this drama, it is the plot which is going to attract you and make you want to watch season 1 and season 2, binge watch it. This drama stars Jung Jae-young and Jung Yoo-mi. It has 16 episodes in each season. Okay, the fourth drama on this list is, okay, fine, I'm a Lee Jong Suk fan and obviously have to include his drama. But anyway, this was a really good drama because it's a fantasy legal drama, While You Were Sleeping. So While You Were Sleeping stars Lee Jong Suk, Suzy Bae, and Jung Hae. While You Were Sleeping is actually based on dreams that can predict the future. There's a prosecutor, there's a journalist, and there's a police officer. All three of them can predict the future. The main plot or the main mystery of this drama is really good. This drama has been praised for its brilliant story. And you can watch this drama because it has Lee Jong Suk. Waiting for January 2nd when Oppa comes back. Plot of this drama comes together like a beautiful bowl of ramen. Fifth drama on this list is Lawless Lawyer. This drama starred Lee Jun-ki and So Ye-ji. Completed in 2018, and it has 16 episodes. Okay, it is an action revenge legal drama with most of the action scenes coming from Lee Jun-ki, who's a very good action star, who's a very good actor in general. Lee Jun-ki. Watch him in Flower of Evil, which is his latest drama. It is completed and is another brilliant drama. Lee Jun-ki plays a gangster turned lawyer. You can imagine why this drama was named Lawless Lawyer. So he became a lawyer to find out the truth behind his mother's death. So Yeji is a lawyer with very high principles who doesn't exactly fit in with the rest of her colleagues. He's to team up to fight corruption in the legal system. So Yeji has starred in very good dramas like It's Okay to Not Be Okay and Save Me. So that completes the list on top 5 legal Korean dramas recent times. Okay, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another list pretty soon. Bye.